Hey guys, it's Steve. I'm hanging out at the shop again. Another great tool that you gotta have in your toolbox. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, all that good stuff. I'm gonna bring you all of my secret weapons that I use on a daily basis to make wrenching on vehicles much easier. So let's get right into it. Today's awesome tool is dun, dun, dun. It's a hose clamp pliers. All right, so how does this work? Well, you'll notice there's, camera, there you are. Two different ends. You got an end with a little notchy deal on it. You got another end with this little wobbly circular cup on the end of it. And I'm gonna use it right here on this little super easy to access guy here. So what you do is you hook your the notched end in here. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. I'm trying to hold the camera, holding all this stuff. So you do that, and then you get the cup inside the other side, and then you squeeze. Now the cool part is it ratchets. So as you can see, I'm only using one little finger here, and it's holding that all nice and loose for me. I'm gonna use two more fingers, bring it right back. There we go. And then when you're ready to release it, you just press the lever on the side. Boom. It's released. So I'll do that again. I'll do it this way though, so you can actually see the. I can't do it that way because of the stinking. Got the wrong direction. Now let's do it this way again. So you just squeeze, and the ratchet holds it in place. Now you can slide your thing back. You can leave it on there. You can do whatever. And when you're ready to release it, just click the lever, and boom. This is what the lever looks like on this side. As you can see, it just ratchets. Very, very simple design. These are fantastic though, and I tried out like 3 or 4 different pair like I always do. And this pair really stood out from the other brands. So I will put a link to this in the description, and you can pick yourself up one. I think it was under $10. If it's not, it's right around 10 bucks. So yeah, there's the tool of the day. Well, if you'd like to get alerts whenever I review a new tool that you can't live without, that you may or may not even know exists, click the subscribe button and make sure you like this video.